All right, what's up, guy? I got a sound test for you. I got the windows up and all that stuff. Um, About to go ahead and let it rip.
This is the movement for those who
24, loud. When I had the AGM in here, I can get it all the way up to 30, 31. Now at 24, way much louder. But yep, I'm glad that I was able to get my hands on one of them glow voltage. I got the 90 amp hour one back there, along with the 64 amp hour headway bank that me and my buddy built. Yeah, big difference, man. Glad to have that battery back there. Yep, catch you on the next one. One sub guy, and I'm out.